good fam, it's Sunny from Sunny's Cooking Diary. If you're new here, welcome to the cooking family. Today, we're gonna make Gyoza style cabbage pan-fried bun. Let's start with the dough. Throw the flour, yeast, sugar, lard optional, and warm water into a bowl. Mix it all up. Knead it until smoothish. Then set it aside to rise until it doubles in size. Now, onto the filling. Dice the mushrooms into tiny bits. Shred the cabbage. And carrot into thin strips. Boil a pot of water. Blanch the shredded cabbage for 3 to 4 minutes. Once it's done, dunk it in cold water to keep it nice and crunchy. Then squeeze out all the water. Toss the cabbage into a bowl and set it aside. Heat a pan with some oil. Fry the diced mushrooms until they are dry and fragrant. You can saute instead if you want to save on oil. Just make sure there's no moisture. Mix the cabbage, carrots, and mushrooms together. Season with chicken bouillon, salt, sugar, white pepper, and a drizzle of sesame oil. Mix it all nicely. Bam! Your filling is done. Back to the dough. Punch it down to get rid of the air. Knead it a little to smooth it out. And divide it into 8 pieces. Confession, I was too lazy to knead it properly. The surface looks a bit rough. But hey, it still tastes great. Roll each piece flat. Pop some filling inside. And seal it up into a bun shape. Into an oil pan. Let them proof again until they are about 1.5 times bigger. Time to cook. Turn on the heat to low. Add a bit of water. Cover the pan and let the bun steam until the water is completely gone. After that, take off the lid and let the bottom crisp up a little. If If you like your buns extra crispy on both sides, flip them over and fry the top too. Important tips: keep the heat low the whole time or you'll end up like me. Burnt buns and broken dreams. Don't go crazy with the water either. A little is enough. Finally, plate the buns. Sprinkle some black sesame seeds on top for aesthetic and serve. I usually eat this with chili oil, spicy, tangy, and totally addictive if you're not a chili fan. Just dig in as is, they are awesome either way. P.S. Sunny love all of you food fam. Stay crispy, stay happy, and remember, burnt buns are just extra caramelized flavor.